Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create your website on Shopify, about outdoor gears, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and click start free trial. So that's it. Here you can just skip all this if you want. Next. So here choose an account, log in with some account. Now wait a few seconds to build in the store. So the first thing you have to do, go to the online store and go to the themes here where you can change the themes if you want. So here you can choose any theme you want, select any theme. So for example, I'm gonna choose this, click add and wait to install the theme. So once your theme is installed, click here publish, and now you can customize it on your home page store. Click here customize, and it will take you to the store page. So this is your store page. So here you find the style of your home page. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here this is the list of the settings of the here where you can design your homepage website. So first here we find the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. Also you can show separate line. Here you can delete this section or duplicate this section. So that's it. Now here you can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto rotate announcements, and you can enable country region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Here where you can change the announcements, you can change the text, or if you want to paste a link or search for collections or for something you want. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. Here you find you can manage desktop logo position. Also you can manage the main menu. You can change it if you want or remove it. Click here remove and it will be deleted. You can manage the desktop type menu. Also you can manage the sticky header, and you can show separate line. You can manage the color scheme or the menu color scheme. So that's it. Here you can manage the spacing, you can edit it. You can manage the section padding. You can manage the same settings. Here you can add your social media links, Twitter or Facebook or wherever you want here, Instagram or YouTube. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select image, your logo from your library, or if you wanna for example this search on is on browser, outdoor gears. So for example this. So that's it. Now this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. Also you can change it. You can manage the desktop logo width and the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here you can change the slideshow. You can manage the slideshow section. You can, if you wanna edit the layout, you can make it like this. You can edit the slide height, and you can also manage the pagination style. You can auto rotate slides. So that's it. You can manage the accessibility. Now let's get back here where you can change. For example, you can add the image. You can select it from browser. So for example, So like this, here you can change the heading, you can just generate another text, describe what this text is about, for example outdoor gears. So for example this, you can choose whatever you want. Also here you can change the text form, you can edit the heading size, and also you can add the subheading, describe what the text is about, add outdoor gears. So that's it. Here you can change the button label, you can change the button link, and also you can use outline button style. You can show container on desktop, you can manage the desktop control position. So that's it. Now let's get back. Here you can manage the featured collections. Also here the heading, you can generate the text. For example like this. You can edit the heading size. You can also add a description. So that's it. Here you can change the description, you can manage the description style. Also you can manage the collections, you can change the collection if you want, you can create another collection, you can here manage the maximum products to show. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. Also you can enable view all if collections has more products that's shown. So that's it. Now let's get back. The last section here you have the footer section. So here you can manage the email sign up, you can change the color scheme. Also you can make section full width. So that's it. Here you can manage the section padding, top padding and the bottom padding. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, if you want to add something new on your home page, click here and select what kind of sections you want to add, like image with text or image banner or another slideshow, so as you like. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, you can go to the same settings. Here you can manage the same settings, the logo or the colors or the typography. So that's it. Now let's save this. Now after you're done from this, let's get back to the home page, to the dashboard, and let's get back to the home page. Now after you add your first product, after you import products, and after you add the custom domain, after you add the sharing details, now next step is name your store. Click here. Now you can name your store, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and here you can change your store email. So that's it. After you're done from this, save this. Now here you can just next move, you can publish your website and launch your online store. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.